Future Detectives, Year 9, explore the world of forensic science. Our Year 9 students swapped the classroom for high-tech laboratories recently during an immersive, hands-on forensic science day at the University of Staffordshire. Organised by Assistant Head Teacher Mr. Williams, the action-packed event gave our young investigators a fascinating insight into modern criminology. The day began with students working like real scene-of-crime officers, learning how to lift latent fingerprints from a simulated crime scene and log them into a criminal database. Shifting from physical evidence to chemical analysis, the second session tested their analytical skills. Students investigated drug testing within professional sports, examining complex data sheets to analyse athlete urine samples. They identified forbidden substances and calculated concentrations to determine if athletes had breached legal limits. This session also included a tour of the university's cutting-edge, degree-level forensic laboratories. In the afternoon, the focus turned to digital forensics. Students explored cyber investigation, discovering how data is retrieved from mobile hardware and learning how to distinguish authentic media from AI-generated images and audio. The grand finale allowed students to put their skills to the test for a full-scale crime scene investigation. Divided into teams, they explored the university's impressive purpose-built facilities, which include 12 dedicated environments, including a realistic mock shop, to meticulously photograph evidence and build a comprehensive case file. Reflecting on the success of the trip, Mr. Williams said, "Events like these are vital for showing students how the science they learn in the classroom translates into real-world careers." Our Year 9s threw themselves into every challenge, demonstrating excellent critical thinking and teamwork throughout the day. It was fantastic to see them so engaged. Year 9 student Leo added, "I've really enjoyed the crime scene experience and the digital forensic. The day has opened my eyes to university, and I really want to go when I am older." We extend a huge thank you to the University of Staffordshire and Higher Horizons for hosting such an enjoyable, insightful and inspiring day.